Alright folks, today we are making Hasselback potatoes right from your grill, so stay tuned. Time to grill! So these potatoes are basically one of my favorite side dishes made from your grill. All you need is a potato and something that helps you not to cut the potato 100%. So I use these wooden cooking spoons here. You can use anything you like that helps you not to cut this one completely through. That's pretty easy. So Hasselback potatoes principally comes from a Swedish restaurant called HASSELBACK. So that's where the name comes from. That's where these potatoes are invented. And they're really nice looking potatoes after you have grilled them. This one is raw. All you have to do is take your wooden spoons and cut it like so. The thinner you cut, the cooler they look. That's my opinion, but if you're not too much into cutting things thinly, you can cut them the way you like. So once you're ready with that, we are almost done with the preparation. So in the meantime, we have prepared our gas grill for indirect heat. We're gonna take these potatoes now the raw way. So we're gonna take these out, we open it, we're gonna grill them for 35 minutes, approximately 120 degrees Celsius, approximately 240 degrees Fahrenheit. And this is how they look like after 35 minutes. You can see now I still start looking good. Now you can start stuff these one, for example with bacon or sliced mushrooms, or just add some butter here or some peanut butter. Oil them up with garlic oil or chili oil. Here's what I do. I just take a slice of Irish cheddar cheese, and we're gonna let the cheese melt and let this one keep on grilling for approximately another 15 minutes. So this is how they look like after a total cooking time of 45 till 50 minutes. And depending on the size, they are now done. If you have larger potatoes, you might add some additional 10% for the cooking time. Or you just, if you use smaller potatoes, you can just skip a little bit of that cooking time. So some sour cream works great with that dish. So this dish is a really great side dish for your grilled meat or for your vegetarian guests. If you have vegetarian guests, just add some spring onions. I also add spring onions and some Terrano Meersalz, which is my own salt seasoning. You might have seen that in several videos before. Of course, I will put an exact amount of all the ingredients into the video description as always. You can check them out there. I will also add some interesting links for you. Maybe the link to my A-store or my Instagram and Facebook profile. You could check out my Instagram profile. Instagram viewers know a lot more about 0815 barbecue. They get exclusive previews of what's coming up next, and I will launch an actual picture of the video. I launch in the evening at European time in the morning. So feel free to follow me there. These are really great Hasselback potatoes. That's the way I like them, cheesy with sour cream, spring onions and all these things. I'm gonna have a shot right now. Would be really cool if you could try this recipe at home. Post a pic on Instagram and mark me 0815 barbecue so I can see them, I can check it out. I will leave a comment there, I promise. So if you like this recipe, please feel free to hit that like button here, leave me a comment or subscribe. Subscribing is pretty easy. There is a 0815 barbecue logo now on the left center of your screen. Just click it. It's worth. We're gonna keep on grilling the next weeks. I have a lot of recipes coming up. Thanks for watching. I'm out. See you.